Nice, children. So, children, I want to discuss about from life process. One question, children. I want to discuss one question on the life process. About I want to discuss about ATP. First question: what is the full form of ATP?
Adenosine triphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, molecular formula and structure we'll study in the higher classes, children. What is this adenosine triphosphate? It is the energy currency. It is the energy currency in all living organisms, in all living things. Okay, we get our energy in the form of ATP only, children. Okay, so um, what happens actually? Actually, this ADP, adenosine diphosphate, is there, children. Adenosine diphosphate. What happens? The energy which is released during respiration, when we respire, okay, when we respire, the energy which is released is used to make a one ATP molecule. How? To the ADP molecule, we will add one phosphorus. Whatever energy we are preparing during the respiration, one phosphorus will add to ADP and you will get ATP or ATP. Okay, children? So, what is the use of ATP? What is the use of ATP? All the reactions in our body are endothermic, children. They use ATP to make the reaction. All our reactions in the body are endothermic. What are endothermic reactions? Which take up some the energy. So for that energy, so children, normally when you are doing any reactions in the laboratories, we will supply fire or we will supply heat. But in the body, who will supply heat? ATP. For all endothermic reactions in the body, ATP supplies energy. ATP supplies energy. Okay, children? For all endothermic reactions in the body. Okay, when that phosphorus is there, no, children, when the phosphorus is there, no, when this terminal phosphate linkage in ATP is broken, how this ATP, this is there, no, children, this phosphorus is broken. This phosphorus is broken to liberate energy. How this phosphorus is broken? It is by using water they will break the phosphorus, children. Reactions will break the phosphorus, and once you break this phosphorus, how much energy is released? 30.5 kilojoules per mole is released. Okay, children, when during the reactions, the water medium will be there. No, all the reactions occur in water medium only in our body. That water will go and break this phosphorus. When that phosphorus is broken, this much energy is liberated. That energy our body will use that for reactions and they perform. So ATP is providing energy. It's the energy currency of the body. Okay, children. So how in our when you put in a circuit a battery, it will provide energy. Now, children, in the same way, ATP is providing energy in our body, children. Okay, for what for anything, children, for all many of the metabolic activities, for many metabolic activities for muscles contraction and relaxation, muscles contract and relax. Okay, in 9th class we have studied muscular muscles, striped muscles, striated, unstriated. Striated muscles for contraction and relaxation. For contraction and relaxation, they have to actin, myosin, proteins are there, no? They have to contract and relax. For them, who will give energy? Our ATP will give energy. And also protein synthesis. Who will synthesize the proteins in our body? Ribosomes. For them also. And conduction of nerve impulses. In our nerves, impulses will be transferred. They also use some energy. Okay, and many other activities, many other reactions in our body takes place. Many other reactions will take place only because of the energy which is provided by ATP. During respiration, phosphorus is added to ADP and ATP is formed. During respiration, ATP is formed. During respiration, and during all the reactions in our body, ATP is used to provide this much amount of energy. How? By breaking this phosphorus. During respiration, phosphorus is added. During reactions, phosphorus is broken, so they will get energy. ATP is the primary source of energy, children. ATP is the primary source of energy. Apart from that, NADP and FADH2 is also present, children. They are also energy resources only, children, but directly we can't use them. Suppose I will bring a dollar note in India and I'll ask you to use. Can you use dollars in India, children? We can't use. If I take rupee note to US, can we use, children? We can't use. So NADP and FADH2 are also energy source only, but we can't use them. That's why one NADP is converted into 3 ATP and one FADH2 is converted into 2 ATP. Then we can use that energy. NADP and FADH2 are the energy resources which are prepared during photosynthesis and respiration, children. These are the higher energy resources, children. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Fluoroadenine dinucleotide hydrogen. All these are prepared during photosynthesis and respiration, children. In photosynthesis they are prepared. In respiration they are converted into ATPs. In photosynthesis they are prepared. In respiration they are converted into ATPs. Okay, children. So 1 ATP releases how much amount of energy? You should know, that is 30.5 kilojoules per